Okay, we have one exciting innovation coming around at the end of the year called ChatGPT from OpenAI. Developer, this is a new innovation under artificial intelligence, which is which is a specialized dialogue. You can say a prototype artificial intelligence chatbot. To understand well, let's take a look what is that mean. Suppose if I give a query to a chat box, it give us a detailed explanation response with a code snippet one by one. It it will give us a detail of how XML HTTP request object is used well in all modern browsers, and this code snippet give us a JavaScript code automatically that you can use in your development environment too. See how clearly it give us detailed explanation of every line that you can understand well and use. See how cool this is to get a detailed use of every function in our in this JavaScript code. This is how what interesting in ChatGPT. One, let's look at another case. If suppose you want to create a login form in HTML, it will give you a ready-made code for your use with explanation. It will take some time to evaluate a right response for you. It will use this whole chat GPT, use supervised and reinforcement learning technique to create a right model for response. See how automatically it creating a form tag in HTML. With explanation given below, the use of form tag, action tag, and method that you can use in your development. You can also give your code that is not acting well. Suppose if I want answer of why this code's not working well, it will give you some suggestion. It will give you some correction to you. See, it is mentioned is giving you correct suggestion that you can use this correct syntax in your code. It can be a possibility of indentation error, so it can be a multiple thing that this chat GPT is giving you suggestion for correction. Therefore you can use this chat GPT chatbot for numerous applications. Let's see how it works. Okay, we have done enough example in ChatGPT and understand how useful it is. Now let's understand how it actually works. ChatGPT is actually an optimizing language model for dialogue. That is, it interacts with end user in a conversational way. The dialogue format make it possible for ChatGPT to answer follow-up questions, admit its mistake, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate requests. Now, the method it used to actually deliver the responses is ChatGPT use reinforcement learning from human feedback model. Reinforcement learning is actually a science of decision making. It actually creates a reward model for reinforcement learning. What I meant is it actually collect the past responses as a comparison data, and based on the quality of responses it rank them and deliver to the end user. So based on next we will discuss some limitation of it. Now let's discuss limitation. ChatGPT sometimes write plausible sounding but incorrect or nonsensical answer. The model is often excessively verbose and overuse certain phrases. Ideally, the model would ask clarify question when the user provide an ambiguous query. Now let's discuss whether ChatGPT is replacing programmer. While ChatGPT might replace some aspect of coding, such as writing generic function or boilerplate code, it won't supplement programmer altogether. Thank you for video. Let's enjoy ChatGPT's research for further development. Thank you.